Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's twin. Similar in size and mass to our planet, Venus has intrigued astronomers for centuries. Its radiant glow in the night sky, outshone only by the moon, has earned it the nicknames Morning Star and Evening Star. However, don't let this beauty fool you. Beneath Venus's swirling clouds lies a planet completely inhospitable to life as we know it. Venus possesses a toxic atmosphere and a surface hot enough to melt lead. Despite its unforgiving nature, Venus holds valuable clues to understanding the evolution of planets and the conditions necessary for life. Each mission to this enigmatic planet brings us closer to comprehending the complexities of planetary evolution and the preciousness of our own planet. One of the most striking features of Venus is its extreme heat. With an average surface temperature of around 867 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but the answer lies in Venus's incredibly dense atmosphere. Venus's atmosphere is about 90 times denser than Earth's, composed primarily of carbon dioxide with thick clouds of sulfuric acid. This dense CO2 blanket traps heat from the sun, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Sunlight penetrates the atmosphere and warms the surface, but the heat is then trapped by the atmosphere, leading to a continuous cycle of heating. The heat is so intense that it would melt lead and make water boil away instantly. Understanding Venus's runaway greenhouse effect is crucial, as it provides a stark warning about the potential consequences of uncontrolled greenhouse gas emissions on Earth. As we continue to explore Venus, we gain valuable knowledge that can help protect the future of Earth. Despite the challenges, humans have dared to explore Venus. Both the United States and the Soviet Union launched numerous missions to Venus during the space race. The Mariner program, initiated by NASA in the 1960s, provided the first flyby images of Venus, revealing its thick, cloud-covered atmosphere. However, it was the Soviet Union that achieved the remarkable feat of landing a spacecraft on Venus. The Venera program, launched between the 1960s and 1980s, achieved several milestones. Venera 7, in 1970, became the first spacecraft to successfully land on another planet and transmit data back to Earth. These early missions to Venus were a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Although no human has ever set foot on Venus, these missions paved the way for future exploration and continue to inspire scientists to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic world. Venus's extreme environment presents numerous challenges to exploration. The scorching temperatures, crushing pressure, and toxic atmosphere make it one of the most inhospitable places in the solar system. The surface is a desolate wasteland, marked by volcanic rock, mountains, and craters. The thick atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat. Dense clouds of sulfuric acid reflect sunlight, making Venus extremely bright in our sky. The extreme conditions make Venus a challenging target for exploration. Future missions will need advanced technology to survive Venus's harsh environment. Recent observations and data analysis have reignited the debate about the possibility of active volcanoes on Venus. While no direct evidence of eruptions has been observed, scientists have discovered intriguing features that suggest ongoing geological activity. One compelling piece of evidence comes from the detection of variations in sulfur dioxide in Venus's atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions on Earth are known to release large amounts of sulfur dioxide, and the observed fluctuations on Venus could be a sign of similar activity. High-resolution radar images of the Venusian surface have revealed features that resemble volcanic domes and lava flows. These features appear to be relatively young, suggesting that they may have formed within the last few million years. If confirmed, it would have significant implications for our understanding of Venus's internal structure, its geological evolution, and its potential for harboring life. Venus, the morning star and evening star, captivates our imagination. Its brilliant presence reminds us of the wonders of our solar system. Though inhospitable, Venus offers clues to planetary evolution and Earth's habitability. Robotic exploration reveals a world shaped by heat, volcanic activity, and a greenhouse effect. Future missions promise to revolutionize our understanding of Venus. Venus, our celestial neighbor, reminds us of the vastness and diversity of our universe.